Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows multiple fibroids with an ovarian cyst. You can see the scanning of the uterus and ovaries, genital organs. Now you can see both the ovaries, and left ovary shows a small cyst. Uterine fibroids most often appear on ultrasound as concentric solid hypoechoic masses. This appearance results from the prevailing muscle which is observed at histological examination. These masses, solid masses, absorb sound waves and therefore cause a variable amount of acoustic shadowing. You can see this is the cyst, left ovarian cyst. Many fibroids contain changes in genes that differ from those in normal uterine muscle cells. Estrogens and progesterone, two hormones that stimulate the development of the uterine lining during each menstrual cycle in preparation for pregnancy, appear to promote the growth of fibroids. Fibroids contain more estrogen and progesterone receptors than normal uterine muscle cells do. Uterine fibroids are non-cancerous growths of the uterus that often appear during childbearing years. Fibroids range in size from seedlings, undetectable by the normal human eye, to bulky masses that can distort and enlarge the uterus. Fibroids may be single or multiple ones. Now you can see both the ovaries and the uterus, and as now by using the art of probe handling, you can see multiple fibroids. Now this is the fibroids seen in the uterus along the posterior wall, but you will see by using the probe handling, you can see other fibroids, small fibroids also. Now you can see another fibroid lying along the interior wall of the uterus, and another fibroids in the middle portion of the uterus near the posterior wall. This one is the fibroids near the interior wall, and this one is both these are along the posterior wall of the uterus. These are the small fibroids. Uterine fibroids are generally harmless and often go away on their own. When symptoms occur, however, untreated fibroids can interfere with person's quality of life and may lead to complications such as anemia due to heavy bleeding. Homogeneous hyperechogenic masses in the uterine cavity on ultrasound are slightly suggestive of endometrial polyps, but the myometrial echogenicity of uterine fibroids may vary and may be hypoechogenic, isoechogenic, hyperechogenic, or mixed, which depends on the size and nature of the fibroids. Fibroids are almost always benign, not cancerous. Rarely, less than 1 in 1000, a cancerous fibroid will occur. This is called leiomyosarcoma. Fibroids are abnormal growths that develop in or on the fibroid on the uterus. These tumors may become quite large and can cause severe abdominal pain and heavy periods. In some cases, they cause no sign or symptoms at all. These fibroids are typically benign. are non-cancerous. The cause of the fibroid is unknown. Fibroids are also known by the following names: leiomyomas, myomas, uterine myoma, fibromas. According to some researchers, almost 80% of the women have them by the age of 50. However, most women do not have any symptoms and may never know they have fibroids. There are many types of fibroids: intramural fibroids, subserosal fibroids, pedunculated fibroids, submucosal fibroids. As far as the cause of the fibroid is concerned, it is not certain why fibroid develops, but several factors may influence their formation, and these are the hormones, family history, and pregnancy. You can find some important information in the description of this video. You can see two fibroids are seen along the interior wall of the uterus and along the posterior wall of the uterus, and one is seen along the interior wall. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.